Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious tuna pasta bake. I'll start by making a cheese sauce by melting butter in a saucepan and adding equal amounts of plain flour. Under a low heat, I'll stir the plain flour into the melted butter. Once that's all stirred in, I'll add a small amount of milk. I allowed the butter and flour to absorb the milk before adding more. So I keep doing this, adding milk, stirring and allowing the butter and flour to absorb the milk until I get a thick creamy sauce. So now I've got the sauce to the consistency that I want, I'll turn the heat off. Then I'll add my drained tuna fish and combine into the sauce. I'm adding a generous amount of black pepper, salt, parsley, and for some extra flavour, a little garlic granules. I also add a big pinch of paprika. Then I give it all a really good stir. Then I add some grated cheese. I'm just using a mild cheddar. And then I'll cook my pasta in some boiling salt water for 6 to 8 minutes. I don't want it cooked right the way through, just half cooked. Halfway through the cooking time, I add a few handfuls of frozen mixed veg. I give that 2 minutes cooking before draining. So after draining my half-cooked pasta and mixed vegetables, I return them to the pot and stir in the tuna cheese sauce mixture. So now I'll just tip this into my oven-proof dish. I've already preheated the oven to 180 Celsius and I'll just sprinkle with the rest of the mild grated cheddar cheese and bake until golden brown. And there it is, tuna pasta bake, delicious, served with a crispy salad. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.